Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and opening the Recorder app. Make sure you allow microphone, storage, and overlay permissions so the app can capture audio and display controls. Once done, pick your resolution and frame rate. 30 FPS is fine for most tutorials, 60 FPS for smooth motion. Then choose portrait or landscape based on the content. You do this now because setting these options later can interrupt a clean take, and establishing permissions avoids recording failures mid-session. Next, configure audio and on-screen settings. You should pick internal audio or microphone depending on whether you need system sound or voice narration. Selecting both captures everything. Then enable touch indicators and the countdown timer so viewers see taps, and place floating controls where they won't block important UI. Once configured, record a short 5-10 second test clip to check audio-video sync and quality. If the test is good, you're ready for the full take. If not, adjust levels or settings and test again. Finally, stop the recording and use the app's editor to trim excess start and end. Export to MP4 for broad compatibility, and compress only if the file size is too large. Make sure to back up the finished file to cloud or local storage so you don't lose it. If something goes wrong, like no audio or choppy video, first recheck microphone and system audio permissions, then reboot the app and adjust bitrate or frame rate. These quick fixes solve most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.